Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. We're continuing our series on My Library on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad, and we're going to learn how to sort my bookshelf. Let's open up My Library, first of all. And you'll notice when I open it up, it always returns to the last book read. But if I track back to the bookshelf here, and I open up Books, you can see that it is displaying the books in the chronological order of the most recent books that I have read. So you can see that Acts of the Apostles was open a few seconds ago, Welfare Ministry 23 minutes ago, Voice and Speech and Song the others show when I actually downloaded these books to my library. So what if I want to not sort by recent, but sort the books alphabetically? That's very simple. If you tap on the sandwich icon over in the top right-hand corner here, so if I move my little cursor up, you can see in the top right-hand corner the sandwich icon, and I click on that, you will notice in the main menu, if you happen to have Search open or something, or Study Center open, then you need to click on Settings. And when you're in the settings, you can come here and adjust the sort order, the read by recent, the show new language. They're the three options that are contained in my library. So if I go, instead of sort by recent, tap on that one and go sort by alphabetical, you'll notice that my bookshelf now changed to be alphabetically listed. So you can see here that I had Acts of the Apostles and Adventist Home and Appeal to Mothers, and you can see that the different ones here, you can see when I last opened them and read them. So that's how you switch between sorting. Now there's also where you can disable the last book read. And if I disable that option, when I track back and come into my library next time, it will not jump back into the last book read, but just jump to the bookshelf. So they are the three options that you can enable and disable in the settings of the EGW Writings 2 app in the My Library section. Open last book read, sort alphabetically or sort by recent, and show or hide the new language. Okay, thank you for tuning in to another Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Always remember to walk with God and remain blessed. Have a nice day.